students. Today we will learn about Windows 11. Hi Pihu, do you remember that we discussed Windows operating system in the last chapter? Yes, Kibo. An operating system makes both the hardware and software work together in a computer system. Good. Let me tell you about Windows 11 today. First, let us discuss Windows 11. Windows 11 provides a graphical user interface (GUI) that makes interaction between the computer and the user easy. Without it, you cannot even start a computer. Features of Windows 11. Some important features of Windows 11 are discussed as follows. Windows 11 has a complete set of new pictures, themes, and icons. It has a newly added snap feature that lets you choose different window layouts if you have multiple windows open on your computer. You can create multiple desktops in Windows 11. You can open chat window from the taskbar. Windows 11 provides a Windows Store application where you can get a lot of free or paid apps and games. Let us now discuss AI Connect. Windows 11 has widgets that deliver a personalized feed of news, weather, traffic, and sports, powered by AI. Students, let us now talk about the desktop. When you switch on a computer, the Windows operating system starts loading into the computer's memory. This process is called booting. After booting, you get the welcome and the login screen. Then the main screen of the Windows appears, known as the desktop. The desktop has many components like icons, taskbar, and so on. Let us learn about some of the desktop components. Icons. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. They are used to open specific programs or documents. An application is identified by its unique icon. For example, recycle bin, Microsoft Edge, etc. Windows taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It contains Start button, Task View button, clock, frequently used apps, etc. By default, the taskbar is aligned at the center. Changing the position of the taskbar. You can change the position of the taskbar to the left. To do so, follow these steps. Right-click on the blank area of the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Click on the Taskbar Behavior section and choose the left option from the drop-down menu of the Taskbar Alignment section. Keeping the frequently used apps in the taskbar. You can keep frequently used apps in the taskbar. To do so, follow the steps. Click on the Start button and then right-click on the app from the pinned section that you want to bring on the taskbar. Select Pin to Taskbar option. The app will appear on the taskbar. It allows you to access the app quickly without searching for it. Start button. The Start button is present at the middle of the taskbar. When you click on the Start button, a list of applications appears. You can use the Start button to perform common tasks, such as starting an app, opening files and folders, shutting down the computer, and much more. The top portion of the Start menu displays a list of pinned apps. You can find a list of recommended apps below the pinned apps. Task View button. You can create multiple desktops by hovering the mouse on the Task View button and clicking on the plus sign on the new desktop window. You can switch between multiple desktops that are helpful for keeping projects separate from each other as well as in an organized way. Search box. You can search for any application or document using the search box present on the taskbar. In the blank field of the search box, type the name of the file or application. The icon of the application will appear. Click on it to open the application. Quick quiz. Number 1. Name the process of loading Windows into the computer's memory. 2. Name the button that allows you to create several desktops. Notification area. The right end of the taskbar is known as the notification area. It includes a clock, battery, Wi-Fi, volume, and a group of icons that show the status and notifications about the programs running on a computer. For example, software updates, network connectivity, etc. The Show Desktop button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. You can click on this button to minimize all the windows and view the desktop. You have been introduced to the desktop. Let us take a step forward to know about some of the basic operations that you can perform on your desktop. Students, let us learn about the Snap feature. The Snap feature is a useful way to enhance your productivity by sharing many app windows on the same screen. It has a few predefined layouts for snapping all your open windows. To open Snap layouts, simply hover the mouse over the Maximize button of an open application and choose the desired layout. All your open windows will be displayed in the selected layout. Okay students, let us learn how to select and deselect an icon. Selecting an icon. To select any icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. Deselecting an icon. To deselect an icon, click away from the icon. The icon will be deselected. Students, let us learn how to select adjacent and non-adjacent icons. Selecting adjacent icons. Left-click on the first item to be selected. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the Shift key. All the adjacent items will be selected. Selecting non-adjacent icons. Hold down the Control key. Click on each of the items to be selected one by one. In this way, you will be able to select the non-adjacent items. Students, now let us know how to open an application. On the desktop, click on the icon that you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open. Double-click the left mouse button on the application icon to open it. Students, let us learn how to arrange the desktop icons. As you arrange your study decks to make it tidy, similarly you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. To do this, follow the given steps. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. You will find a list of options called the shortcut menu. Select the View option. Click on the Auto Arrange Icons option from the sub-menu and observe the change. Okay students, let us learn how to sort the icons. Sorting the desktop icons means arranging them in a proper order. To do this, follow the given steps. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu will appear. Select the Sort By option and click on the Size option. The icons will be arranged in the increasing order of the file size. Students, let us learn how to change the desktop background. A background image of the desktop is called the desktop background or wallpaper. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice in the following way. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Choose Personalize option. From these sections, select them to apply. Choose any theme from the given list. You can also change the color of the background of your desktop from the personalization background. Personalize your background option. In the list next to Personalize your background option, you can select Picture, Solid Color or Slideshow. Click on the Solid Color option from the drop-down menu. You will get the color palette. Select any color of your choice. A preview of the selected background will appear in the Preview section. The selected color will be set as the desktop background. Now, let us look at how to change the screensaver. The screensaver is an image that pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again get back to the normal screen. Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Click on the Personalize option from the shortcut menu. The personalization window will appear. Select the Lock Screen option from the right pane. Click on the Screensaver option. The Screensaver Settings dialog box will appear. Click on the drop-down arrow under the Screensaver section and select any screensaver of your choice. A preview of the screensaver will be displayed. Set the time in the wait box as per your need. Use the up arrow to increase the time and down arrow to decrease it. Click on OK. Note, you can open the Screensaver Settings dialog box directly by typing Screensaver in the search box and selecting the Change Screensaver from the displayed options. Students, let us learn about mouse pointer shapes. You must have observed that while working on the computer, the shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the actions you perform. Some of the common shapes of the mouse pointers are discussed in the following table. Busy. It means that the computer is busy and wants you to wait. Double-headed arrow. This arrow is used for resizing the windows or pictures. I-beam. This icon is used for inserting text in a document. Normal. This arrow is used for pointing, selecting and dragging the items on the screen. Four-headed arrow. This arrow is used for moving pictures and toolbars. Working in background. It means that the computer is processing while you are working. Let us now learn how to shut down a computer. Shutting down means to turn off a computer. To shut down your system, follow the given steps. Click on the Start button. Now click on the Power button. Select the Shutdown option. The system will take a few seconds to shut down. Okay students, let's revisit the concepts. Windows 11 is an operating system that controls and manages the functions of a computer. The small labeled pictures on the desktop are known as icons. The Start button is used to perform common tasks such as starting a program, opening files and folders, and much more. The Task View button is used to open multiple desktops. A screensaver is an image that pops up on the screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time. The shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the actions you perform.